we have to do this one, fractions with different denominators. Okay, that we have to do the addition of fractions with different denominators. So this is the fractions with different denominators. Here is 3, here is 6. We have to add. So now what you have done, you have added or subtracted the like fractions, means the denominators were same but now different. If same, then no problem, direct you take the 6 or 3 as LCM, and you as it is you have to add this. But if the denominators are different, then you have to go like this. See how. Then first of all you remove the comma sign and put the plus sign because it is addition. Now you have to think like this. This one 3 into here is 6 is here. So up to these sums are like this only. If here 6 is there, so 3 into how much is 6? 3 into how many times is 6, students? Yes, 2. So 1 by 3 into 2. Here also into 2 plus 1 by 6. Okay. Then it is 2 1 ja 2 by 6 plus 1 by 6. So now they are like fractions. Denominators are same. So just now how you did, like that only you have to do. So this is your extra learning. Okay. So 6, 2 plus 1 is how much? Yes, 3 by 6. Like this. So now fourth one, same only. 7 by 8 plus 3 by 4. But now you have to think that how can you convert 4 as 8? How can you do 4 as 8? So 7 by 8, yes, by which number you will multiply? Multiply the 4 to get 8. By which number you have to multiply the 4 to get 8? What is the number? Yes, 4 to the 8. Okay, so now it is 7 by 8 plus 6 by 8. Now again it has become as earlier. Now it is like fraction, and as usual you have to take 8 like this, and 7 plus 6 is 13 by 8. Okay, this one also same. Up to 7 sum is same. So I shown you first one, fourth one, and seventh one. Okay, I think up to 7th or 8th, up to 10 sums. Like this, up to 10 sums are same. You do. From 11th, again somewhat different. Okay, so I will teach you also that one. Now 7th sum again, it is 5 by 11 and 3 by 22. So 5 by 11 plus 3 by 22 equal to, now how can you, by which number you multiply the 11 to get 22? So by which number? Yes, by 2. If you multiply 11 by 2, then it will become 22. Okay, so if we are multiplying here, we have to multiply numerator also. So this is 3 by 22 is equal to 5 2s are 10 by 22 plus 3 by 22. Okay, so 10 plus 3 is 13 by 22. Okay. Now students, see this here, 1 by 2, 1 by 4 and 1 by 3. All the different denominators are different. So now in two tables 4 is there, but in two tables 3 is not there. Okay, so in two tables 4 is there, but in two tables 3 is not there. So actually what I am doing, it is a LCM only, we have to take the LCM, but we are doing in this method that you have to think that, so we have to convert all these three numbers so that all should in one tables, multiplication tables. Means 2 into, if you multiply 2 into 3, 6, but in 6 tables 4 is not there. But 3 to just 6 is there, but in 6 tables 4 is not there. So if you multiply by 4, okay, 2 4s are 8. Here 8 is there. Okay, 4 to 8, you can do this one as 8, but this one you cannot do as 8. Okay, so what to do? You have to multiply this one by 6. If you multiply by 6, then 2 6 are 12, right? 2 6 are 12, and we can convert the 4 also as 12. Okay, so 4 into how many times is 12? 3, because we have to make all the denominators same. So here also 3, here 6. Now 3 we can convert as 12. 3 into how many times is 12? 4. Here also 4. Now all the denominators are same. 6 by 12 plus 3 by 12 plus 4 by 12. Now all the denominators are same, so you take 12 and 6 plus 3 plus 4 is how much? 9 plus 4, 13 by 12. Here also same in same manner you have to do in 4 tables, by which minimum number you multiply so that all we can convert in the same that table only. If you take multiply by 2 8, you cannot convert the 5 as 8, you cannot convert 3 also as 8. 3 4 3 are 12, you cannot convert 5 as 12. Then 4 4 is 16, no. Then 4 into 5 is 20, but 5 into 4 is 20, but 3 we cannot convert as a 20. Okay, so 6 4 6 is 24, but 5 you cannot convert as a 24. So multiply by 8, 4 8 is 32, 5 8 is 40. This one you will not get. Okay, so what to do now? 4 into 4 into 4 into. So here by multiplying by 5 6 8 we are not getting at all. Okay, just I have multiplied now. So what to do now? If we are getting here two prime numbers like this, the success are 3 then 4 then 5. If you are getting this type of number one by one, then what to do? We have to multiply all the three numbers. We have to multiply all the three numbers. That is 4 into 5 into 3. 4 5s are 20. 20 into 3, 60. Okay, see. So you have to convert this one 4 as 60. So 4 as 60 means by which number you have to multiply? You leave this 4, because 4 into how much is 60 means leave this 4, then take these 2, multiply these 2. 5 3s are 15. So 4 into 15. Okay. 4 into, here it is 3, sorry, 15 plus, now leave 5, here 5 is here, leave 5, take these 2 number, then 5 4 3s are 12. So 2 by 5 into 12. Okay, here also into 12. Now this leave the 3, then what is left over here? 4 into 5, 4 5s are 20, 4 5s are 20, so 3 into 20, here 2 into 20. Now 15 3s are 45, okay, 4 15s are, now all you will get 60 only, plus 24 by 60 plus 40 by 60. Okay, now you take all as 60, all denominators are 60, this is like fraction, then add them, 45 plus 24 plus 40. Okay, you add here 45, 24 and 40 is how much? 9, 10, 109 by 60, like this.